Welcome to Livermore Ford Lincoln, the Bay Area's premier Ford dealer. And here's a look at another one of our quality pre-owned vehicles from our large selection. And comes equipped with navigation, leather seating, keyless entry, rear view camera, rain-sensitive windshield wipers, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, heated door mirrors, wood dashboard insert, Sirius XM satellite radio, heated front seats, and has less than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Every vehicle is put through a rigorous inspection and reconditioning process by our highly trained technicians, using only certified OEM parts, guaranteeing you the highest quality vehicle possible. Livermore Ford Lincoln is your ideal destination for all of your automotive needs. Come visit us at 2266 Kittyhawk Road in Livermore. Your next vehicle is waiting.